Swapping everyday goods with organic produce has gained a lot of attention and support from the last few years. It also exhibits convincing benefits. One can safely assume that the organic food sector is here to stay. Organic foods are very healthy as they are naturally grown. Organic foods are grown without artificial pesticides and fertilizers. They are considered healthier and more nutritious than regular foods. The organic food industry started to boom a decade ago, and there has been no looking back ever since then. Rising consciousness among people about the side effects of artificial chemicals in food production has further boosted the growth of organic food in recent years. Given the kind of innovation coupled with this rising demand, organic food industry is yet to witness a full-fledged evolution. But one can safely assume that the organic food sector is here to stay. Organic farming has gained immense popularity in the last few years. Growth in e-commerce has acted like a catalyst for the industry to reach out to consumers, and the numbers are only showing an upward trend since 2013. Here are some probable reasons why the organic food industry is expected to see an accelerated demand in years to come. 1. Digital literacy and e-commerce facilitation. Due to the surge of smartphone usage in India, coupled with low-cost internet, there has been an increase in access to information about organic food. Added with this, e-commerce platforms acted like a facilitator reaching out to potential customers across the country. This is the reason why the growth of organic food was initially harnessed by Tier 1 cities, but the industry eventually reached out to potential customers in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. E-commerce platforms also made the sector competitive, with more and more players entering into the organic food industry. Experts are predicting an increased penetration of organic food into Tier 2 and 3 cities in the years to come, leading to demand for organic food at a continually increased rate. If you like this video, please subscribe for more of such videos from this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.